Alright, so today's tutorial is all about a test with NNCleanup. So one of my subscriber asked me, it's great to see that we can use NNCleanup in a single frame or to create a clean plate, but is it possible to do a whole paint shot from a whole sequence of frames? So I decided to test it out, make a video about that. So this video is all about that. I'm gonna test out NNCleanup node in a 100 frame shot and show you the exact results. Alright, so this is the footage. Let's suppose the task is to remove these tattoos. I already have a roto which is animated. This is animated perfectly around the tattoo. So let's take NNCleanup node and connect that into the image pipe, connect the matte pipe into the roto, make sure the project settings are right. So this is 2048 1080. Let's keep this as 2048 1080. Everything looks good. Let's view the NNCleanup node. There we go. We have the result for a single frame. This looks perfect. I'm not sure I can do a playback while recording this, but let me render it and show you what the result is. Alright, so render is done. I'm gonna import the result. Let's do a playback. As you can see, there are some flickering happening, which obviously we need to fix. But overall, with 1 minute of work, this is amazing, right? The texture is looking really great, even though it's a bit grainy, maybe because of the temporal consistency, and I didn't adjusted a lot of the properties here. We can obviously adjust a few of these properties possibly and get a better result. If I do that in this tutorial, it's going to be a long one. Better I'm just showing you a rough example and leave you to explore. Maybe one thing I can try is reduce the process scale to 0.5 and see if it is helping with overall chattering. Still loading. This is the result of 0.5 and this is the result of 1. Do an A/B. Looks okay to me. Let's render it and check it again. Alright, so let me import the latest render. So you can see the difference here. This is with process scale value 1 and this is 0.5. Let's do a playback. I would say the chattering is still there with both the renders. Overall, I would say value with 1 better than the other one. I would say it is definitely possible to use NNCleanup throughout the sequence. Obviously, there are some chattering happening which we need to figure out a way to fix. But with 1 minute, this is really awesome. What do you guys think? Before winding up, I just want to show you how Nuke's default in-paint node looks like. In-paint, source, matte alpha. This is the result from in-paint node, which obviously we can fine-tune a little bit. Maybe it's going to take a lot of time to adjust this one to find out the exact value. And let's see about the chattering, how the result from in-paint node is. Again, similar style of chattering is happening here as well. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.